Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back, and today we're gonna be discussing SEI. Right now it's about another one that's at $1 billion market cap, currently number 60, 86 million in volume, number 41, so that's good. Circulating supply 3.5 billion and total supply 10 billion. I don't like this, but we'll see when the unlocks happen. So you can make your own decision. It's had a good run up. This project started about last year. It's up 3,000% all time. So I can't even say anything bad about it. I will say though, year to date, it started around like 70 cents. Right now it's at 31 cents or 30 cents. So about like a 60% drawdown. From the all-time low is the 3,700%, and from the all-time high is down 72%. So this is why I don't like it. We remember we discussed Pyth yesterday, and a lot of the Pyth unlocks were going either to like the team, not the team, development or artists or everything. But here, 6% to the team, 19% to the team, private sale, another 26%, Binance launch pool of 4%. So, and more than 50% is like unlocked. And the unlocks happen about every month. We could see it here. So on October 14th, there's gonna be private sale, investors, team, and foundation. And it's up 3,000% since they invested, probably even more. I don't see why they wouldn't sell, right? That to me is a huge selling pressure, even though it might be a good project. So SEI is the first sector-specific layer 1 blockchain specialized for trading to give exchanges an unfair advantage. It was also founded by this guy. His name is Mr. Yog. He was a developer over there at Robinhood. We can see it here. A software engineer at Robinhood, and then he co-founded Sui. But that's for later. Let's watch their video and see what SEI is all about.
Several thousand years ago, human beings lived in caves. There were difficult times. There were no provision, no money, no social networks. For resupply, people used natural exchange. Such exchange took very much time. But the solution was found, and it was market. Market exchange was much faster and easier. Buyers and sellers gathered in the same place and exchanged money for goods. With the development of industry, people needed not only money to goods exchange, but another types of assets. And the solution was founded again. It was the stock exchange. Exchanges let people to buy goods, shares, bonds, derivatives. Despite innovation and practicality, exchanges have some problems. They are centralized, regulatory, and not available for everyone. The answer was blockchain creation. It helps people to be anonymous and self-sufficient. But when a lot of users had come to blockchain, the next problems rose on the horizon. These problems were latency, gas price, and scalability. And people found a solution again. SEI became it. SEI Foundation developed a new blockchain. But what do we have to know about it?
Very important, they use the Cosmos SDK. So that's supposed for Cosmos too, I guess.
Only 3 simple things. SEI is the first sector-specific layer 1 blockchain, specialized for trading. The first scalable order matching engine. New network for DEX and DeFi projects.
So that's a video. It's pretty good. Their SEI scan, I hate it. It just gives me the transactions, block height, and block time. It doesn't give me any of the top holders, so, and I couldn't find them anywhere. I don't like that. I don't like how they're not transparent, right? So accelerating the future, the fastest parallel blockchain, pushing the boundaries of blockchain technology through open source development. SEI stands to unlock a brand new design place for consumer-facing applications. So 380 millisecond time to finality, 12,500 transactions per second, and 1.5 billion transactions. The website is okay. So they work with, Circle, multi-coin capital, Jump Crypto, Peth that we mentioned yesterday, Coinbase. The website is okay. I mean, not the best, I will say. They do have good development in the ecosystem. So Creator Fund Round 2, 181 projects, 13K plus donors, and the ecosystem continues to grow. They reached a milestone in TVL. So that's good. It looks like developer activity is picking up. This one, WCoin game, is now live on SEI, the first mini casino game offering faster gameplay and seamless transactions with more games coming soon. So their ecosystem looks like it's growing. They have a lot, and this Tokenomics so dropped a partner spotlight video showcasing what makes SEI stand out in Web3. They don't have that many, they have followers, but I like this number when it's around a million. They could always increase. So my main concern with this is that they want to be the Nasdaq of the crypto, right? They want to be like the DEX of crypto, something that Solana wants to also do. And this is no bias at all, right? They're working with a lot of people, right? Multi-coin capital, Coinbase. My only problem is, and he was working at Robinhood, so he experienced it firsthand what happened with AMC, and they were halting the stocks and GameStop and everything like that. So that immediately brings me like a big red flag, right? And then we see here, this could be FUD, but obviously it's just a rumor, so take it with a grain of salt. So rumors are circulating that Coinbase is writing Bitcoin IOUs for BlackRock and they are suppressing the price. Basically what they're saying is BlackRock is like short selling and they're gonna pay back Coinbase at another time with some profits probably. And then I go on here, this tweet from Crypto Ayor, he's French, has a lot of followers. So the Nakamoto coefficient is an indicator of decentralization. The higher it is, the more decentralized the blockchain is and therefore difficult to corrupt. Are you surprised? So Bitcoin 9.3, Polkadot looks like it's the most decentralized by far. ADA really decentralized, AVAX, whatever. So we go down here and SEI has a 7 score. So not really that decentralized. And if you want to be decentralized, big, Nasdaq, right, for crypto, then you need to be decentralized. Otherwise, people are just gonna do like me, go on here, check who their founders are, see Robinhood, and immediately be like, no, because a lot of people are like that. A lot of people that got screwed over by Robinhood, don't want to face those challenges again. Their ecosystem is pretty good. I counted 217 dApps. AOs I currently invest in. Artemis we'll discuss it now. Binance, obviously. They don't have AI, but obviously it'll probably happen sometime soon. This one is apparently their most famous NFT plays, so Palette Exchange. And they also have some games here. I didn't really see one that I enjoyed, but that's just me. Artemis. So average transaction per second, Remember they said that they could do a lot of transactions per second? They're doing 50. Average block time 0.4. Daily active addresses 69,000, and that's up 92%. So that's good. We can see here it's actually trending up. It went down today or yesterday, but it was trending up. So that's obviously always a good sign. What I do not, daily transactions, they're doing a lot, about 4.4 million. Daily active addresses also, it looks like it's increasing. So that's always a positive. TVL is increasing. So it looks like the chain is increasing. The only thing I don't like is revenue, right? Couldn't collect any revenue. And the fees is only 500, like 600, 1,000 per day, which it's really, really meaningless. If we see here, the devs, they only have around 74. And, even though the number is increasing, I wish it was more. I mean, at least it stay like consistently, right? And the last thing is here. No, I think that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. Their socials to their followers also increasing. And average daily TPS, so, they say they're the fastest, but it really doesn't matter when, you're not doing that many transactions. DeFi Llama, though, TVL is amazing, and you need total value locked if you're going to be this new Nasdaq. So that's a plus. And developer report is 61 full-time developers from July onwards. Total developers 313, and that's 300x from 2 years ago. Well, that makes sense because it started last year. So overall, I found this funny. Every single one we've seen is extremely bullish. I guess I'll click bullish too again. But every single community sentiment we've seen is like bullish. I wish we had options like FDIS or less LFG or whatever. Listen, I love, I started in the stock market. I moved on to crypto. Around that time, actually, is when I kind of went full time into crypto. And if we have a decentralized Nasdaq, that would be so great and so amazing. And hopefully SEI does it. And the more competition we have, so whoever is the one that does it, to me is great. The only thing I don't like is the tokenomics. I would personally not buy SEI at least until 2030. Probably in a couple of years, see how the development goes. I mean, they do have a lot of dApps, so it looks like it's increasing and it is picking up. I just don't like their tokenomics, so I'm off of that. But the idea, right? You in crypto, you need to buy ideas. Like, it doesn't matter who or what or whatever they may say. Crypto is all about ideas, right? So the idea, and look at the people that are investing in this: Coinbase, Multicoin Capital. And they're up 3,000%. You think that they don't want to increase this more to like sell off their tokens like later? Me personally, I don't think so. They're gonna push this everywhere, like decentralized Nasdaq. At least what I think they're gonna do. So it's probably worth being in the top 50. Will it increase back to the $2 billion of market cap? I think so. Unless the selling pressure is like really, really high, then maybe not. But I definitely see it going back to 2 billion, maybe even going back past all-time highs. I like the idea. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. It's NFL Sunday, so let me know how your team is doing. I lost last week. Hopefully I'm winning this week. I'm starting Amari Cooper. So yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.